Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rania from Sibon by Rania. Today, during this time of quarantine, we will just be doing a small throwback video to our Christmas table at the Christmas market, talking shortly about some of our products, and we'll talk more in depth in later videos. We'll also discuss how the name Sibon by Rania came to light. So have fun watching. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. So this is our table at the Christmas market. You have small starter packs here, just $10. It has all three products, just small amounts. We have Christmas packages for $25 instead of $35, and our famous lotion bar, as well as our lavender zest scrub. There's also cold processed soap. You have this Aleppo soap, peppermint, lemongrass, and cinnamon. It's for the hair and the skin. And this is a charcoal lavender face soap. You can also try some of the samples here. These are lotion bars, our winter package, and a collection of our soap, and a couple of other things. So this is it, everyone. I hope you like our work. This is all handmade by me. If you love our work and our product and you're interested to learn more on how it's made, comment below, let us know, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing more enriched content in the future. Have a wonderful day. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.